Hello friends, I welcome you all to this IOL review series, and today we will be reviewing AuroView EV preloaded IOL, which is a lens from AuroLab. So now let's go and check this IOL. This comes in a double blister pack, which is very good for ensuring the sterility. This is how it actually looks like. Now this is the cartridge. It has two holes. From the smaller hole, we put the visco behind the lens, and from the bigger hole, we put the visco in front of the lens, and then from behind also, we put some visco. Now we remove this lens holder or this leaflet, which is removed very easily. And after removing this, you can visualize the lens. Let me magnify you. Yes. Now you can see the clarity of the lens. Now going further, we will close these leaves and it closes with a click. It gives you a very good sound. Now you will check that haptics and optics are not engaged inside it, and then we'll check again that whether it is closed properly. Now we will push this yellow cap inside, completely inside. Yes, like this. So the haptic is going back, and now we'll remove this yellow cap and our lens is ready for the insertion. I should say that after a long time I'm seeing a very good Indian lens, a very good preloaded system. Our phaco is being done and our lens is ready for the insertion. This is a 2.5 millimeter incision, and I'll be doing a wound assisted insertion of the lens. There was no jerk during the insertion. The lens went very smoothly, effortlessly inside the AC, and to my utter surprise, it is a hydrophobic lens. Still, it opens very early. It unfolded like within few seconds, and it looks very good. For review purposes, we have done two cases, and I'll show you the insertion of the second case also. This is the second case, and similarly within few seconds it unfolds. It went effortlessly, and it gone inside the bag very easily. So it was a pleasant experience using this kind of beautiful lens. So now let me tell you about this IOL material also. This company, which is Aurolab, it claims that it is best in class as it has best clarity and transmittance. As we can very well see, the lens looks very clear and soothing. Company also claims that haze and color disruption of this IOL is minimum, while the ABI number is highest. My opinion about this lens is that I have used many preloaded lens, but by far it is one of the best preloaded which can be used single-handedly. IOL delivery was very smooth. It unfolded very early. Material looks very good to me. In our post-op results, patients had fairly good distance vision and IOL was stable and clear. I would definitely recommend every surgeon to use this IOL once. This is an unbiased review and I have no financial inclination in it. I would like to thank everyone for watching. Thank you so much.